right there?
Big one?
Oh, there's one. Big one. Just kidding. A little spotted bass on the old trick worm. He's the one that. Oh shoot! There we go. That's a little bit better of a fish there.
Yeah.
He really wanted that jig.
Oh, did you, cowboy?
Saw a little largemouth sitting right there on the bush. One. Oh no. First fish of the day on a flipping jig.
Yep, I'm gonna get me a cowboy.
Another one here on the jig. Starting to heat up in the rain. On the first.
One more cowboy.
Welcome to the Bass Plugs. Hey guys, today we're out here at Beaver Lake. Doing a little bit of fishing, trying to fish some bushes. We caught a few flipping a jig. We're trying to catch them on the on KGB's Pro SHAD, but no luck yet, but hopefully we will before the end of the day.
Yeah, we're just taking a little refuge under this dock for now, but once it does clear up, we're going to get back out there and try to catch a few more. But yeah, Nick's caught quite a few flipping, and I caught, I think, one or two on a fluke and a weightless worm. So it's been good so far, but hopefully it gets even better. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
He'll eat that though.
Oh yeah, he'd eat it. He's probably gone now.
Oh, Nick's got fishing. Oh, pretty good one. Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
Nick's smoking them on the jig.
It's a jig day. A beauty.
Oh, there's another one behind it. There's another one right behind it. Yeah. Nice spotted bass on the top water. Nice. Whopper plopper. There we are. Alright guys, so you guys just saw some footage of us fishing out on Beaver Lake. We had some rain rolling, so we had to take cover for a little while, but we still caught some fish today. So we're actually going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway from last video in this. It's either the Spawn Killer or the SBOB Megabass. So let's go over to Nick and let's see who wins that.
Alright, looks like Maximus CTS. Congratulations, man. Just reach out to us on Instagram. It's obviously the Bass Plugs. And give us your information so we can shoot this out to you. Thanks.
Appreciate it, guys.